In this video, we're going to look at equations and moves that we can make on equations and how that relates to the solution of the equation. So we have Noah who's buying a pair of jeans and using a coupon for 10% off. The total price is $56.70, which includes $2.70 in sales tax. Noah's purchase can be modeled by the equation x minus 0.1x plus 270 equals 56.70. So in this equation, x is the original price of the jeans, and then we're taking 10% off. So we're multiplying the original price by 0.1 and subtracting that from the original price. We're adding 270 for the sales tax, and that gives us a total price of $56.70. Here are some equations that are related to that equation. Each equation is a result of performing one or more moves on that original equation. Each can also be interpreted in terms of Noah's purchase. For each equation, determine either what move was made or how the equation could be interpreted. So they're going to give us one of the pieces of information and we're going to fill in the other piece of information. Some examples are given here. Then check if 60 is the solution of the equation. So equation A is 100x minus 10x plus 270 equals 5,670. What was done? Well, if I compare this equation to my original equation, I see that each number has been multiplied by 100. And that's each number on both sides of the equation. So if I multiply the invisible 1 here, that's in front of the x, by 100, I get 100. 0.1 times 100 is 10. $2.70 times 100 is 270, and 56.70 times 100 is 5,670. And in terms of the problem, what I'm doing here is expressing the price in cents instead of dollars. So for part C, I want to know if 60 is the solution of the equation. So the way that I would figure that out is by plugging it in. I can do 100 times 60 minus 10 times 60 plus 270, and that should equal 5,670. So this is 6,000 minus 600 plus 270, and if I do this math, I get 5,400 plus 270, which is in fact 5,670. So that means that yes, it has the same solution as the original equation of 60. Equation B is x minus 0.1x equals 5940. What was done? We subtracted 270 from the left and added 270 to the right. So if I compare that to my original equation, which is highlighted up here, we have the x minus 0.1x, got rid of this 270 on the left, and added 270 to 5670 to get 5940. So in terms of the situation, x here would be the original price of the jeans after 10% off would give me the left side, and then 5940 would give me the right side. So that means the price of the jeans after the coupon before tax is $59.40. And then for part C, is it the same solution? Well, if I plug in 60 for x, this would be 60. This is 0.1 times 60. It's a little hard to read, but that's 6. 60 minus 6 is 54. and 54 is not equal to 5940. So the answer to this is no, it does not have the same solution as the original equation. And if we think about what was done here, we see that that's not a move that you can make when solving equations. You can't subtract something from one side and add it to the other side.